Come back to subscribe, please. Let's explore $IDOL, the MEET48 token crypto coin, and how to buy it using BNB, the BSC blockchain, Binance Launch Pool, and MEXC Global. You'll start with an introduction to $IDOL and MEET48, giving you a brief overview of the $IDOL token and explaining its connection to the MEET48 ecosystem. We'll explore the potential for growth and utility, and discuss why investors are becoming increasingly interested in this project. EXT will dive into understanding the $IDOL token itself, including its tokenomics, such as total supply, distribution, and any burning mechanisms in place. We'll cover the use cases for $IDOL, including in-app purchases within the MEET48 ecosystem, staking, governance, and access to exclusive content. Finally, we'll briefly introduce the development team, provide a roadmap overview with future plans, and touch on the community engagement strategies. We will then discuss BNB and the Binance Smart Chain, explaining why $IDOL is built on BSC, highlighting the benefits of using this blockchain, like low transaction fees, fast transaction speeds, and compatibility with the Binance ecosystem. We'll also walk you through setting up a BSC wallet, specifically using MetaMask, and adding the BSC network to your wallet. Now, let's get to how to buy $IDOL with a step-by-step guide, detailing how to acquire BNB on Binance or other exchanges, and then transfer it to your BSC wallet, like MetaMask. We'll show you how to use PancakeSwap, including connecting your wallet, swapping BNB for $IDOL using the contract address, and understanding slippage settings and transaction speed considerations. It's crucial to use the correct contract address, which we will provide, and we'll also share risk warnings associated with using decentralized exchanges. You'll also discuss $IDOL's availability on MEXC Global, including the benefits of this listing, and how to buy $IDOL on MEXC. We'll cover creating an account, completing KYC verification, depositing funds like BNB or USDT, and then trading $IDOL on the MEXC spot market. The benefits of using MEXC Global include higher liquidity, the potential for future CX listings, and easier access for new investors. Then, we will explore the potential for a Binance Launch Pool, explaining what a Binance Launch Pool is, and any possibilities for an $IDOL launch pool. If applicable, we'll cover how to participate, which involves staking BNB or other tokens to earn $IDOL, and how rewards are distributed. The benefits of a launch pool include early access to $IDOL tokens and passive income through staking. Finally, we'll address security considerations, discussing how to protect your wallet by using a hardware wallet, securely storing your seed phrase, and avoiding phishing scams. We'll also emphasize the importance of doing your own research or DYOR, understanding the risks of investing in cryptocurrencies, reading the white paper and project documentation, and following project updates and community discussions. In conclusion, we provided a recap of $IDOL and its potential, emphasizing the importance of community participation. Join the $IDOL community, follow the official social media channels, and always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.